A fundraising T-shirt for an Escondido police officer fighting brain cancer is now banned from the Palomar Hospital grounds after someone deemed it racist. As ABC 10 News reporter Rena Nakano explains, the family is fighting back against those accusations.
In February, life turned upside down for Escondido Police Officer Brett Byler.
He collapsed, went to the emergency room, and 4 days later he was having brain surgery.
His father Jim says the 31-year-old was diagnosed with glioblastoma, an aggressive form of brain cancer. But within days, a friend and employee at Palomar Hospital, where he was doing rehab, asked if they could make a fundraiser T-shirt for the Bylers.
I thought it was awesome.
They designed an original logo with a family silhouette in front of an American flag with red, white, and blue stripes, each representing fire, medical personnel, and police. Byler says it was a hit. It raised a lot of money, and hospital staff wore the shirt for months.
Everything was good, and then we found out that the shirt was being characterized as something that was clearly never intended to be.
According to Palomar Hospital, a patient and staff member recently reported that the shirt was racist and they were offended by it. The blue line in a similarly designed shirt has caused national controversy in recent months, some interpreting it as anti-Black Lives Matter. So the hospital asked staff wearing the shirt on duty to take it off immediately. The Bylers say they were appalled.
It's just so upsetting to see such a positive, unifying message morph and mischaracterized into something, just so hateful.
A hospital spokesperson says they support Officer Byler, but they acted within their dress code, which reads in part, any item is inappropriate for the workplace if it provokes, alarms, offends, or disparages those whom employees are serving or others with whom they interact. The Byler family says they're fighting that accusation.
The hospital is just hiding behind this policy. This has nothing to do with anti-police. We're focused on our son, his wife, and his 3 beautiful daughters.
Rena Nakano, ABC 10 News.
And the Byler family says they hope to clear up the misunderstanding and come to a resolution with the hospital very soon.